In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the time zone for your Facebook or Meta Ads Manager. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook ads tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can change the time zone for your Facebook ad account. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Ads Manager. So I'm not going to show you where to find Ads Manager. I believe you know where to find Ads Manager if you were looking into this video already, okay? So you open up your Ads Manager. So this is how your Ads Manager looks like, generally speaking. You need to go payment setting to change the time zone. So where do you find it? Go to billing and payment. Once you are at billing and payment, you scroll all the way down. You should be able to see here business info. Click on business info, click on it. And then you can see here time zone. So I'm in Kuala Lumpur, so I can put here GMT 8, right? You can put it anywhere else. For example, if you are in US or wherever, right? Just find the one that you are in, click on it, and then all you have to do is just click save. I'm not going to change this because I've changed this previously, but just to let you know, if you want to change your time zone, this is how you can do it. It'll be easier next time when you create ads. At least you'll be in the right time zone. So yeah, so this is how easily you can change your time zone in your Facebook Ads Manager. If you like what I share, just give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.